The iPhone 17 series logic board features a double-layer structure, housing various components such as processors, A19 Pro CPU chip for enhanced performance and efficiency, A19 CPU chip for standard models, memory and storage, NAND memory chip for data storage, wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modules for seamless connectivity, power management, AP Main Power Manager for efficient power distribution, Charge Management IC for controlled charging, audio and visual components, Audio IC for sound processing, Camera Power IC for camera functionality, Amplifier IC for signal amplification. The logic board also includes RF board components, baseband CPU for cellular connectivity, power amplifier power management for efficient signal transmission, infrared camera dot projector and flood illuminator for advanced camera features. Some notable design changes in the iPhone 17 series include horizontal logic board layout, optimizes internal space for improved performance without increasing device size, aluminum unibody chassis, enhances durability, heat dissipation, and reduces weight. These advancements contribute to the iPhone 17 series' improved performance, camera capabilities, and overall user experience.